Let's make this quick, easy to cook, and yummy chicken salpicao. First, marinate muna natin yung chicken with patis, kalamansi, and a little cornstarch for a minimum of 30 minutes. Next, let's saute our garlic until brown and crispy. Set aside for toppings later. In the same pan, melt some butter and saute some garlic. Syempre, mas maraming butter, mas masarap. You can add more butter if you want. Then, add the marinated chicken and saute until fully cooked. I like my salpicao with button mushroom, so I added 1 can. Saute for a minute, then season with salt, pepper, and chili flakes. I add my chili flakes separately kasi may kids na kakain. Once fully cooked, you can add the sauce. This sauce is a mixture of soy sauce, calamansi, sugar. I'll put on the description para ma-follow nyo. Finish off with more butter para mas glossy and appetizing yung food. Super dali lang nito lutuin, no? This is one of the yummiest and quickest food to make. Don't forget to add the fried garlic on top para mas yummy. Then, let's garnish with some spring onions on top. Kain tayo! Type din ng mga kids kung baunin to sa school. Kaya isa to sa mga staple dishes na niluluto ko sa bahay. Try nyo na rin!